Exciting. So, we are about to go off the grid and power this thing for the first time with battery power and all of this stuff we have on it. So hopefully, I did the right calculations and got the right stuff. First off, we're gonna need to get some electrical tape. So, the adapters came in. I saved myself from myself and ordered these this morning. So, they are in, and I should probably tape this, but I'm just excited to get this started. So I already soldered the power management to the power bus board, and this is connected. So this is gonna power up our APM or our flight controller and the Raspberry Pi, all off of this battery that is currently falling off at the moment. So if everything works correctly, nothing will catch on fire and we should see this thing light up. So here we go. Here's our first test off the grid. What? What is that? Okay. That's a low battery. I think that's a low battery warning. Okay, so we're good. So at least we know that everything is powered, or all the electrical connections are set up. So that's a low battery. I'm gonna charge this thing, and we're gonna do it again. But we're good. All right. Oh wait. Maybe it was just my connection. Yeah, it's low. Okay. Alright. So that's it. First power test is good. So we're gonna charge it. And good thing I saved myself from myself. We got another charger. So I'm gonna charge this thing up, get a full charge. We're gonna try it again, and hopefully all systems go, and we are that much closer to takeoff. I'm excited. So, see, what is this? This is episode entry number 8. So, see, 8. So, see you in the next one. Peace.